today I am making some bath bombs. And okay, so this bath bomb I'm making, it's a new formula that I'm testing out. I'm not using any surfactants in here. I'm not using the surfactants, so this is without surfactant. And I do have some milk powder. I mixed it with mixing some buttermilk powder, because the milk powder helps with the foaming. But for the bubbles, I am using my own formula that I made, and it's very, very, very natural. It's very natural. No surfactants. And the yellow, I'm going to make some embeds with the yellow, and the black is going to be just for the bath bombs. Okay. And I didn't want to use my good black dye that I got from Planet X products. I didn't want to use that because this is just a test. So I used two lakes. I used blue and the red lake.